Hi guys, this is Mohan here. Today my video is about how to use your Google Home Mini Nest as a Bluetooth speaker. So it's very easy. So what you have to do, first you have to request Google Home Mini Nest to pair Bluetooth devices. Hey Google, pair Bluetooth devices.
Sure. To connect, open Bluetooth settings and look for the device called Mohan's Room Speaker.
Now what you have to do, you have to go to settings on your phone and in settings look for the Bluetooth. So here's connected devices, Bluetooth pairing. And now what we will do, we will pair new device. Now I will click on the pair new device, and now see this, it says Mohan's room speaker. So I will tap it. As I will tap it, it will start pairing. Pair with Mohan's room speaker. Now tap pair, and see guys, you heard the sound from the speaker that it's paired. Now what we will do, we can play the song of our choice. So I will go to YouTube. See guys, so it's working. Thanks guys. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.